you when living life in the slow lane kicks in, 'di ba? Kasi parang kunyari may ginagawa ka pero you get to observe yung reactions from each variable na nandun. So hindi siya ganun ka, lesser chance of error again. Yun lang naman yung like it boils down to that. Kasi kahit papano, yun nga, mas guaranteed or mas sure ka na tama yung ginagawa mo. So, I think, ano pa bang experience ko about living life in the slow lane? Yun, doing things one at a time, being mindful, being present in the moment is one thing. So, meron tong time na parang dati is mabilis ako magsampay. So, there's a saying that fast is slow and slow is fast. Tama ba yun? Like, what the fuck? Fast is basta yung essence niya is kahit mabagal ka is mabilis ka essentially. Kasi ang logic niyan is kapag mabagal ka, lahat guaranteed. Pag natapos mo yung task, tapos mo na. Pero kapag minadali mo yung task, kahit tapos mo na, babalikan mo ulit yun. So, another, set of minutes, set of hours to use dun sa pagbalik mo na naman para ayusin yung mga mali mo along the way. So, mabilis mo ngang natapos pero hindi naman ganun kapulido. So, essentially, babalikan mo rin. May back job ka in a sense. So, parang wala rin silbi, di ba? And that's one of my advice to, younger generation, mga ka-generation ko or a bit older than us, before your 30s. Try not to compare yourself too much na nakikita nyo sa social media, like, yeah, social media is everywhere. Ako rin naman, madalas ako mag-reels and stuff. Pero yung reels ko kasi is mostly memes eh. Like, hindi ako nanonood ng stories masyado.